Most people use their Android phone every day without realizing that some default settings can put their privacy at the risk. And as scams, tracking, and suspicious apps becomes more common, knowing how to protect your phone is more important than ever. Today, I will show you 7 important security settings on your Android phone that you should check right now. They only take a few minutes to change, but they can give you much more control over your privacy and security. Let us start with the first one. When you downloaded an app, it often asks for permissions to access your location, camera, or a microphone. The problem is many apps keep using these features even when you're not using the app. Here is how to fix it. Just open your setting, scroll a little down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, tap on Permission Manager. Here, you will see which apps have access to your camera, microphone, and a location. Tap on Camera first. Look at the list. If you see an app that doesn't need to your camera, just tap on it and change the settings to ask every time or do not allow. Do the same thing for a microphone and location. This simple step stops app from spying on you in a background. Samsung has a powerful built-in feature that many people never turned on. It calls Auto Blocker. It is on any Android phone. Auto Blocker stops unknown app from installing automatically and block malicious content sent through USB cables. To turn this on, just go to the settings, scroll a little down, tap on Security and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Auto Blocker. Turn switch on. Once this is turned on, your phone automatically blocks bad software before it can do any damage. Just turn this on. It's very important feature. Before we continue to next settings, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to LearnoTime. It really helps the channel grow and you won't miss any of our feature text guides. Now let's keep going on. When you type a password on your phone, the last letter you type usually shows on a screen for a second. If you are in a public place, someone standing near you can easily see your password. You can hide this completely. Open the settings, tap on Security and Privacy, scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Find the option called Make Password Visible. Turn this switch off. Now, whenever you type a password, only dots will appear on a screen. Nobody can see what you type. When you copy a password, a credit card number, or a personal message, your phone saves into the clipboard. Some bad apps trying to read your clipboard in a background without your permissions. Samsung let you catch them. Just open the settings and go to the security and privacy. Scroll a little down and tap on controls and alerts. From here, turn on this option. Alert when clipboard accessed. Now, if any app tries to read what you copies, your phone will instantly give you warning or alert. By default, your phone sends diagnostic data and usage info back to the Google to help them find bugs. This consumes battery using internet data and shares your phone activity. You can turn this off safely. Just open the settings, tap on Security and Privacy, scroll a little down and tap on More Privacy setting. Look for Send Diagnostic Data and turn it off. Scroll a little down and turn this option also off. Usage and Diagnostics and turn this off. This is for Google, this one for Samsung. Your phone will run normally, but it will stop sending your private activity data. If your phone gets lost or stolen, someone may try to unlock it using the face recognition while you're sleeping or force you to use your fingerprint. Samsung has a special features called lockdown mode. When you active lockdown mode, it turns off fingerprint unlock and face recognize instantly. The only way to open the phone is with your PIN or a password. Here is how to enable this feature. To use this feature, swipe down from the top and tap on power down button. Here is you will see lockdown mode. If you tap on it and lock it your phone, it can only open it by your PIN, not your fingerprint or not your face recognize. You can use it easy peasy. Downloading app from the random websites or the unknown links is the fastest way to get malware on your Android phone. Only download apps from the Google Play Store or a Galaxy Store to make sure no app can install other software behind your back. Open setting. Go to the security and privacy. Tap on more privacy settings. Tap on install unknown apps and look at the list of the apps. Turn off the switch for every app on that list, especially browsers and messages apps. Now, no app can install hidden files on your phone without your permission. This is very important. Taking 5 minutes to adjust these settings give you completely peace of mind. Now, if you suspect your phone may already have a malware or a virus running in the background, you should scan your device immediately. Click on the next video appear on your screen right now to learn how to find and completely remove viruses from any Android phone step by step. I will see you there. Thanks for watching.